Hi friends, in the last session we have started the concept called dictionary. Okay, dictionary data structure we have started. So just I will remind for one time. Next I will explain that concept is how to update the dictionary and how to delete elements from the dictionary. Okay, just I will remind for the previous topic for one time. Okay, normally what is dictionary means list tuple set to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity. But if you want to represent a group of objects as a key value pairs, then we should go for dictionary. Okay, single value means a list tuple set, but group of key value pairs means a dictionary. So in this way we have to go for dictionary. So dictionary means it's nothing but key value pair. So here duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. Heterogeneous objects are allowed for both keys and values. Okay, insertion order is not preserved. Dictionaries are mutable. Dictionaries are dynamic. And indexing and slicing concepts are not applicable for the dictionary. So why not applicable means already here key is available. So when key is available, so we cannot expect indexing and slicing for the dictionary. Okay, we cannot expect indexing and slicing for the dictionary. Normally observe here how to create a dictionary. So by using in this way and by using dict function. Okay, next, so normally creating dictionary with values. Okay, normally creating dictionary with values. Okay, this is the one. So next here how to access data from the dictionary. Okay, suppose if you are having the data on the dictionary, how we can access. So this is the way. If you are accessing the key out of value means it is going to give the error as a key error. Okay, so next one is to prevent this problem we have to use a has underscore key, but has underscore key is available in Python 2, not in Python 3. So to prevent that problem we have to use the in operator when you are using out of scope element. Okay, this is nothing but accessing element from the dictionary, and this is has underscore key is available in Python 2, not in Python 3. So to prevent that problem, we have to use in operator. Okay, this is where we can resolve the problem by using in operator. Okay, now today we are going to discuss about the concept is how to update the elements and how to delete the elements from the dictionary. Okay, observe here first what is nothing but how to update a dictionary. How to update a dictionaries. How to update a dictionaries. How to update a dictionary. So how to update a dictionary means observe the syntax first. This is the syntax. S of d of key. Okay, d of key is equal to value. Okay, d of key is equal to value. D of key is equal to value. So here observe here, if the key is not available, then new entry will be added to the dictionary with the specified key value pair. Okay, if the key is already available, then old value will be replaced with the new value. So how means observe the example first. Observe here, I'm taking already one dictionary. Okay, already I'm taking one dictionary. On that dictionary, first what I'm doing means print of d. Okay, what I'm doing first, print of d. Okay, so first I'm printing the dictionary. Next what I'm doing means d of 400. Okay, d of 400 is equal to what I'm taking means vision infotech. Okay, d of 400 is equal to vision infotech. If the key is available, then it is going to replace or it's going to update. If it is not available, it's going to add. Okay, observe here in this case print of d. Okay, print of d means I'm printing d. So here what is the result? 400 is this name is going to replace with this value. Okay, this value is going to replace with this value. Next, what I am doing means again d of what I am doing means 600. Okay, 600 is equal to d of 600 is equal to what I am taking means software software developer. So d of 600 is equal to software developer. Here I'm printing that dictionary now. Here I'm printing the dictionary. Observe carefully. So every time I'm printing the D, every time I'm printing the D. First case as it is, it is going to print. In the next case, it is going to replace the value in with this value. Okay. Next here 600 is equal to software developer means anyway 600 key is already not available. Okay, 600 is not already available, so that we will going to add that element at the end of the dictionary. Okay, at the end of the dictionary. Observe here output. If you observe here, first as it is printing. In the next case, it is, if you observe here, it is replaced with vision infotech. It is replaced with the this name to this name. After that 600 is added at the last. Okay, 600 is added at the last. This is nothing but updating the value dictionary. Okay, updating the value in the dictionary. Clear, right? So this is nothing but a program. So observe the theory. First point. If the key is not available, 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 then new entry. If the key is not available, then new entry will be added to the dictionary. Okay. If the key is not available, then new entry will be added to the dictionary with the specified key value pair. To the specified key value pair. Okay, with the specified key value pair. Okay, so next, if the key is available, okay, if the key is available, if the key is available, then old entry, old entry will be, and old entry will be replaced, replaced with the new value. Okay, if the keys are available, then old entry will be replaced with the new value. This is the theory what we observed with respect to practical. This is nothing but concept what updating the dictionary. Okay, updating the dictionary, right? So clear, right? If you are having any questions, please feel free to post your query in the comment section. Okay, so next is nothing but how to delete elements from the dictionary. Okay, how to delete elements from the dictionary. How to delete elements from the dictionary. How to delete elements from the dictionary. Okay, observe carefully here. Previously we observed that how to update the dictionary. Okay, how to update the dictionary. Now we are observing how to delete elements from the dictionary. Clear? So observe here, same thing what I am doing means first I am taking one dictionary. Okay, I am taking one dictionary, I am printing the dictionary. First what I am doing means first I am deleting one element. Okay, first I am deleting one element. Delete of d of 100. Delete d of 100. Once when I am deleting 100, I am printing the d. Okay. Next what I am doing means delete d of delete d of what I am taking means 500. In this case 100 will be deleted, that will be printed. But if I am trying to delete 500, if I try to delete 500, it will give key error 500. Okay, observe here, in this case here 100 gone. Okay, 100 gone. Clear, right? This is nothing but deleting elements from the dictionary. Okay, this is nothing but delete elements from the dictionary. That is nothing but first del keyword. Example. Okay, so here what is nothing but means first point. It deletes the entry associated with the specified key. So we can say that it deletes, okay, it deletes the entry associated, it deletes entry associated with the specified key. It deletes entry associated with the specified key. Next point. If the key is not available, then it will give key error. If the key is not available, if the key is not available, if the key is not available, then we will get a key error. Then we will get a key error. Okay, if the key is not available, then we'll get a key error. Okay, second point. Second thing is nothing but a d dot clear. Okay, d dot clear, d dot clear, d dot clear, d dot clear. The same dictionary I'm taking here one more time. Same dictionary I'm taking here. What I'm taking means a d dot clear. I'm doing d dot clear. Next I'm printing the d. Okay, I'm printing the d. First time it is going to print the dictionary. Next it is going to delete the clear means it's going to remove all the elements from the dictionary and it's print the empty dictionary. Observe. Clear. First dictionary is printing. Next empty dictionary it is printing. Okay. This is nothing but what removing all elements from the dictionary. Okay, it removes all elements from the dictionary. It removes all elements from the dictionary. It removes all elements from the dictionary. Okay, so this is nothing but d dot clear. Next delete d, del d, del d. So observe here, this is something different from d dot clear. This is something different from d dot clear. What I'm doing means del of d, del of d. After that I'm trying to print the d. Okay, after that I'm trying to print the d. Del d means it deletes the total dictionary. It deletes the total dictionary, but after that deleting means d is not available. Garbage collector destroys this object also. Value will be destroyed and with respect to variable also will be destroyed. So nothing will be available in the d. Observe here, name error, name d is not defined. So first time it is printing, but after you are using that d dot del of d, it's complete is going to delete. Completely it is going to delete. Okay, clear, right? This is nothing but what d del of d. Observe here, what I am doing means to delete total dictionary. To delete total dictionary. After using after using del of d, we cannot access. Okay, we cannot access that variable. We cannot access that variable. Clear, right? So today we observed that how to update a dictionary, how to delete elements from the dictionary. This is nothing but dictionary data structure. As part of we observed two concepts. Okay. So in the next session, I'm going to explain about the important functions of dictionary. Okay. In the next session, I'm going to explain about the functions of dictionary, important functions. Clear? Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video.